guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello. If you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have a B&M haul for the month of February 2020. I did actually put up a poll on my Instagram whether you guys wanted to see a B&M or a Wilko haul, and Wilko actually won the poll. However, I went into Wilko and everything I wanted to get was just not there, so I dashed out and went into B&M. So we have a B&M haul for you today. I actually got some really cool things and I just love watching these kind of like lifestyle bargain kind of shopping hauls. I hope you do as well. So if you'd like to see what I picked up from B&M, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world, and let's just carry on with the haul. So I'm just going to jump straight into the best thing from the haul because it's right next to me and I'm really excited. So I got this glitter canvas of New York, which looks like this, if you can see. So New York's all in glitter and it's got the glitter bit around here. It's grayscale and it was, drum roll please, $3.99. That was a really quick drum roll, wasn't it? But it looks like this and it's really cute. But yeah, I absolutely love New York. New York is just like, I've dreamt about it ever since I was a kid, and I visited it once in my life a few years ago and it was the best thing I ever did, and I cannot wait to go back. I just absolutely love New York. It just had such a buzz about it and I just love it. So yeah, I'm gonna have that directly above my bed, and I just couldn't believe it when I saw it. It was $3.99. I was thinking to myself, can I be bothered to carry this to the car? Can I? That's quite big, can't really put it in a bag. I was like, do you know what? You won't regret it. And do you know what? I don't regret it. So yeah, $3.99 for that. I'm literally just going to pin it above my bed, and I think it's going to look super cute because my bedding is all like grey and stuff with like my fairy lights. I have my world map next to my bed as well, so I thought that was just such a cool idea, and I can't believe it was $3.99. They had loads of other amazing ones. They had like a really big Buddha one which I thought was really cool, but I wouldn't know where I'd put it. But yeah, absolutely love this and so excited about this. On to my heavy bag of stuff. Do you know, there's definitely a common theme when it comes to my haul. I've just laid everything out on my desk so I'm not like rustling the bag, and my desk smells amazing, so that's a little hint to what's coming. So the first thing I'm going to show you, this isn't in any particular order, I'm just grabbing and showing. This is the Fragrance Co vanilla scented candle, which was $2.99. Kind of deal. I just absolutely love B&M. It's really cute like jar as well. I think I'll definitely keep the jar afterwards and like burn the wax out. It's really sweet, comes with like a little bow around it, and it smells like vanilla. I can open it up. Smells really nice. It is quite like a strong smell, but I feel like when you burn it, it'll just make the room smell amazing. It is absolutely ginormous and it's so heavy, and I cannot believe it's $2.99. In my B&M, the one in Watford, it's kind of split up into like two floors. The bottom floor, like you go in and you walk past all like the cleaning stuff, and then like you go around and there's food and then like cleaning bits and stuff. But at the bottom is all the homeware, and if you don't go round the aisles properly, you miss all like the good stuff. So like in the far back of the store, basically that's where they keep like all of like the proper candles. So definitely like if you do go into a B&M store, like actually go to like the back of the store, like near the homeware section, like properly go up and down the aisles, because there's stuff that you will miss. So yeah, I spotted this and I was so excited. I just feel like at the moment I always, like if I'm in my bedroom for like a long amount of time, I always want to have a candle burning. I just like the atmosphere that it gives. It makes the room smell really nice and the fragrance always lasts. So I always am going to stock up on the candles, and I cannot believe this one was $2.99. I feel like it's going to burn for absolutely ages. The next thing I got in this smelling category was a Febreze Air Mist. This is in the scent Sparkling Bloom scent. I haven't actually given this a sniff yet. Smells fresh, do you know what I mean? I'm just keeping this in my room just to make things smell nice occasionally, and then in my downstairs bathroom as well. I like to give it a little spray every once in a while. I believe this was like £1.78. Next up I got another candle. This is the Mandarin and Cassis, I don't know, fragrance candle, burn time 34 hours, which looks like this. Nice yellow jar. I probably won't keep this jar because yellow is not really my kind of thing, but you can recycle it. Smells really nice. It smells kind of like awakening. I feel like this would be a good candle to burn when I'm trying to focus, to like have that like awakening kind of smell. So I picked that up and that was $1.99. Then of course you can't go to B&M without getting Zaflora, so I got the 3-in-1 Action Limited Edition Mandarin and Lime Zaflora. This is the big bottle. This is the 250ml. Usually they only have like the tiny bottles. I just wanted to stock up on some Zaflora. I've really gone off that lavender scent I picked up in my last B&M haul, I think it was. I just don't like the lavender one, but pink grapefruit's my favourite, but I figured that I would quite like the mandarin and lime. It smells really nice. It's very like orangey, cocktaily, really nice. So that is going to go in my cleaning basket for when I'm like tidying up my room and like polishing stuff and just making everything smell delicious. Love Sephora. I love cleaning like the sink and like popping a catful in the sink afterwards and just letting it kind of like absorb, and like the smell kind of goes through the house. It's so lovely. You can tell that I'm becoming a quarter life adult soon because I get excited about like cleaning products and organisation. Speaking of cleaning products, the next one is another candle. That is the only other candle I got. This one I have purchased before and burnt before and I really like it. It's the Glade Spiced Apple and Cinnamon. This was on special offer because it's obviously from their Christmas collection, but it's so nice and the smell like really lasts. It's very strong. And this was $1.28 I believe, and it was reduced from $1.99 I think. But yeah, I got that. It smells amazing and I feel like the fragrance lasts for ages, which is really good. So yeah, I'm all stocked up on candles. Next we've got a few lifestyle bits. So I spotted these multivitamins. I recently got some vitamins from Poundland, but they were like sports mineral ones, so I don't really know if they did anything. But these ones have all sorts in them, like vitamin E, zinc, which is really good, vitamin A, folic acid, biotin. It's got lots and lots of supplements, and you take one a day and you get 150 tablets. I cannot remember how much this was. But yeah, I got those, so you get 150 tablets and it was not expensive at all. So I'm going to start taking those tomorrow morning and hopefully it like makes me feel more energized or just like healthier in general. So it's always good to have some vitamins. Yeah, I got those just to make me super like energized and just feel a little bit healthier. So I have had this cold since like the beginning of this week and like the sniffles just won't go away. Right now as I'm talking it seems fine, but I promise when I go to bed I'll be like, this was so annoying. Like I don't feel ill anymore, but just like the sniffles are still there. So I picked up some tissues because my nose is getting crusty, do you know what I'm saying? So I got these are the Kleenex Everyday tissues, pack of 8. I think they were like less than £1 or something like that. They were super cheap. So I'm just going to pop a pack of tissues in my handbag, leave one in my car, take one to work, and just make sure I kind of have them wherever I go, because if you have a runny nose, not having a tissue is actually just like the worst thing. So I just wanted to be extra prepared, and I feel like B&M is the place to go when you want things to make yourself feel more prepared about life. Then speaking of being prepared, I got some Femfresh intimate wipes. I have heard that using things like this on your lady bits isn't the best just because it upsets the pH balance, but this is more, even though it says with a gentle pH balance lotion, I just feel like I'm not going to use these all the time, so it should be fine. This is just sort of more, I think I might keep these in my handbag just for like if I'm doing like a really long journey or staying somewhere where I'm not usually like comfortable, that kind of thing, and just makes you feel a little bit more fresh. So I got some of those. And then I spotted these like hidden at the back of the shelf, and they are 150 cotton wool pads, but they're the large ones, which I love using. And so I picked these up and I couldn't actually believe it. I was like, oh my god, there's so many cotton pads. So I got 150 of those. I'm gonna be pretty stocked up for a while, and I literally only use one a day for my toner, so I got those. And then I was super excited when I saw this because I've been meaning to get a new fake tan. This is the Scent Maritz, which just throws me back to like my 18-year-old going out clubbing all the time kind of phase. This is in the shade dark, so I'm hoping it gives me a dark tan. I'm actually going to try it out tonight. I have used this before, but when I was younger I didn't understand the concept of doing it the night before and washing it off. I would do it before a night out and then it would get darker throughout the night, and I'd have someone like spill a drink on me, and it was a disaster. I don't know if anyone else just didn't know how to tan like as a teenager, but I picked that up. Instant colour, streak free, fast drying. So I'm going to tan myself tonight and hopefully by tomorrow I'll be all bronzed. Yeah, I just feel like when I'm tan I just always feel a little bit more confident. So I picked that up and it is a XL pack, so hopefully it will last me a long time as well. And the Scent Maritz brand is like super cheap. It's basically like supposed to be a dupe of Saint Tropez. The next thing I got is some toothpaste, super exciting. Just the Colgate Deep Clean Whitening toothpaste. I've just run out, so I needed some more. Not much else to say. And then another really exciting thing that I spotted was the W7 makeup, which is like one of those really cheap makeup brands that try to like sort of like dupe things. This is the Bronze and Glow, so I believe this is supposed to be a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star on Glow, which looks really cool. So you get a kind of contoury bronzy kind of shade, which to me looks like it has a bit of shimmer in it, but I feel like when you blend it out it should be fine. And then like a highlighter shade, so I'm going to give this a go in like an upcoming video and I'll let you know how I get on with it. And I believe this was like $2.99 or $3.99, so not expensive at all. But I looked at it and I was like, this is really intriguing me, so I picked that up, which is actually really exciting. I cannot wait to try that out. When I go into B&M I don't expect to pick up makeup, so the fact that I've spotted that makes me very excited. The last thing that I got from this haul is something that I was like, this looks really fun. So this is from the Derma V10 range. Yeah, so this is the Raspberry Sugar Lip Scrub with coconut oil and cocoa butter. So it's a 2-step kit. You get a lip scrub and then you get a collagen lip mask as well to pop on, one of those like jelly masks. masks, but I thought this would be really fun. I'll definitely do like an Instagram video with this at some point, but I picked that up. I don't actually know how much that was because on the tag thing it didn't have a price, but I will pop the price somewhere on the screen for you so you can see, so I'll keep the receipt and keep notes of all the prices for you. Yeah, so I picked that up, give that a go. I still have smooth lips. I'm really into trying to find like good lip stuff at the moment because my lips are just so dry like all the time. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up from B&M. I'm actually really happy with everything that I got, and I'm going to get good use of everything, and I'm really intrigued to try the W7 like highlight and contour thing out. I think that'll be really cool if it's good. But if you did enjoy this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below like what kind of hauls from me you want to see, what kind of videos. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. My little pop-up is right here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world, and thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in my next video. Bye!